Hello there, welcome to Autodesk Inventor tutorial series, and today we're going to do the first tutorial. So let's start with a small cube. We're going to make 20 by 20 by 20 cube. So let's start with it. Here you can see it is the interface of the Inventor, and we're going to start with new. In this section you need to choose standard IPT. It is the preset for units. Okay, as you can see here, there are a bunch of options of 3D like extrude, revolve, loft, and etc. But for every 3D we need to start with the 2D in Inventor. So let's get started with 2D sketch. At here you need to choose any plane whichever you want. So we are making, so it doesn't matter, we are making a cube, so it doesn't matter which one we want to choose. Okay, so to make a cube we're going to use the rectangle. Over here, let's say we need to choose a rectangle 2 point. The first point is the center and the second is side one. Okay, and then on the center click, and we need to enter the data 20 by 20. To changing the dimension of rectangle, we are pressing the tab button and say enter. Okay, and now hit the finish sketch. At here we need to do the extrude. After clicking on it, we have a solid model of 10 mm. For cube we need 20, and as you can here see, it asks for which side we want to continue. I'm saying it is symmetric and say okay. Okay, so here is our first cube, a 3D cube is ready. Thank you.